Hello guys, I am V Sai Srinivas of 10th class from Mathman. So today I will be explaining you today's editorial. So let's get started. So today our editorial is Policy Creep. Over-regulation risks retarding growth and job creation in the e-commerce sector. Barely 11 months after the government notified the Consumer Protection E-commerce rules 2020, the Department of Consumer Affairs had mooted a set of sweeping amendments ostensibly to protect the interests of consumers and encourage free and fair competition in the market. Among them is a norm stipulating the appointment of a chief compliance officer, a nodal contact person for 24/7 coordination with law enforcement agencies and other requiring e-commerce entities offering imported goods or services to incorporate a filter mechanism and identify goods based on country of origin and suggest alternatives to ensure a fair opportunity to domestic goods. A third mandates a fallback liability on online marketplaces in the event of non-delivery of goods or services to the consumer. Registration has also been made mandatory for all e-commerce players. Specific flash sales, including back-to-back ones, are said to be banned, and all entities must provide information within 72 hours of any request made by an authorized government agency probing any breach of law, including cybersecurity issues. While on the face of it, none of these new rules appears exceptional, especially when e-commerce tops the National Consumer Helpline's complaints chart. There is still a distinctly while on the face of it, none of these new rules appears exceptional, especially when e-commerce tops National Consumer Helpline's complaint chat. There is still a distinctly discernible pattern to the changes. Following on the heels of the recent IT intermediary guidelines and digital media ethics code rules, the draft e-commerce amendments show the government's increasing keenness to exercise greater oversight over all online platforms. The center also appears to be signaling its intent to dig in its heels in an intensifying standoff with Walmart's unit Flipkart and Amazon, which are both now in court battling an attempt by Competition Commission of India to reopen a probe into their business practices. The two large e-commerce players have had to contend with accusations that their pricing practices are skewed to favor select sellers on their platforms, that their discounting policies have hurt offline retailers. The fact that latest changes expressly seek to ensure that none of an e-commerce entities, related parties and associated enterprise is enlisted as a seller for sale to consumers directly could also The enforcement of many of these norms is bound to spur protracted legal fights, asserting that the amendments were not aimed at conventional flash sales. The government said it was only targeting certain entities engaged in limiting consumer choice by indulging in back-to-back sales where a seller does not have the capability to meet an order. In trying to address shortcomings in its rules from last year, the government appears to be harking back to an era of tight controls. Over-regulation with scope for interpretive ambiguity risks retarding growth and job creation in the hitherto expanding e-commerce sector. So guys, many new regulations are being introduced by the government on the e-commerce sector. It is not a good move because there are many regulations. These many regulations might decrease the growth in the e-commerce sector. If it happens, it would also mean that there is a decrease in the employment opportunities and also decrease in the consumer percentages. So the government had introduced new laws which are regarding these e-commerce softwares. So Amazon and Flipkart are known to be the two biggest e-commerce sites. So they are running in code because the prices in these platforms are very troublesome. So because of those prices, many people are not buying from ordinary retailers. They are only buying from either Amazon or Flipkart. Because of this, they had an decline in their income. So it is troublesome for them. So that's it guys. Thank you.